Hey, aloha and mahalo. Thank you for joining us. Before we continue, please don't forget to like the video or subscribe to our channel and support us. We need you so we can make a little money here. Um, and especially for joining us on this 209 nautical mile journey, heading from Sand Island in Honolulu, Hawaii to Hilo Bay, on the Big Island. Yeah, and it was a very humble experience. We ran out of fuel between Big Island and Maui, so we called the Coast Guard. They came out and towed us back to port in Maui. It was an awesome experience. These guys are professionals. They went above and beyond, and man, these are professionals. So yeah, it's a good experience for us. We learn a lot from the experience. How do we deal with situations here and there. So it was nice to meet up with those guys in this circumstance. So this is at their port. A little bit of Maui for you guys here at the resort in Wailea, I think. Yeah, Wailea Resort, a beautiful place. And here's on one of the highways. This is the morning before we left the port yeah, the Coast Guard station in Maui. And here we are riding on these waves. The highest wave that they're varied everywhere depending on our location, but the highest I would estimate at 8 feet. Um, yeah, the wind was strong. Um, we didn't do any fishing. We just throw out our lure for one time and then we pull it back in because we were kind of rush just to get home to Hilo, and then we can resupply and repower it and everything, and then go for fishing. This is just to bring our boat to its home port. So it's not a fishing expedition. It's a moving expedition, moving our boat from Hilo, or not Hilo, from Oahu to Hilo. And so, yep, we are approaching the Hilo Bay here. As you can see, we are riding this wave. Man, I couldn't ask for a better boat that can handle the rough seas out there. I'm so thankful for to my Yobo for this gift, retirement gift. Um, yeah. Okay, I'll listen to the sound here.